If you're experiencing an installation loop with CS2, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and unlock the installation process. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for CS2. Verify your operating system, RAM, and graphics card specifications to avoid compatibility issues. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Navigate to your system's temporary files folder and delete any unnecessary files. This can help free up space and resolve conflicts that may be causing the installation loop. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall. Sometimes, these security programs can interfere with the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 4. Run installer as administrator. Right-click on the CS2 installer and select Run as administrator. This grants the installer the necessary permissions to make changes to your system, which can help prevent installation issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, uninstall CS2 completely and then download the latest version from the official source. This ensures you have a fresh installation without any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue and successfully install CS2. If problems persist, consider seeking assistance from official support channels.